Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to add a 3D glass effect using Photoshop. So I guess all of you might be using Instagram, and on that there is a filter called chromatic pulse if I'm not wrong. So we are going to create a similar effect as a chromatic pulse effect on Instagram. So let's get started. So this is the image that we are going to work with today, and there is a log as you all might be knowing. So to remove the log, what we are going to do is just double tap over here and rename it as red, and duplicate this layer and rename it as cyan. So we have renamed the layers. Now actually that effect consists of two colors, as you have noticed. One is red and one is cyan. So what we are going to do is, now using the cyan layer, we are going to go to FX icon over here and go to blending options. So after going to blending options, this toolbar opens up where you can see an option called advanced blending. So in the tab of advanced blending, you have channels as RGB, and as this is cyan color, we are going to turn off red color, as green and blue mixing together becomes cyan. So we are going to click on OK. Now go to red layer and again go to FX, go to blending options, and again under the advanced blending option, turn off green and blue colors so that red color is obtained, and then click on OK. So these two colors are obtained. Now you might not be noticing any difference in the image now. So to see the difference, what I'm going to do is just using this red layer and using my arrow keys, I'm just going to shift the layer. So as you can see, the red and cyan, there are two different colors that are now being shown on the screen, and it's just because we have added those effects of blending options, and the image looks like this after that. So as you can see, the layer of red is kind of in the left side and the layer of cyan is on the right side. So this part of the image of cyan is visible. So to remove that, what we are going to do is just using the crop tool, we are just going to crop out that little part and press enter. So well, this is my image that gives the chromatic pulse effect from Instagram. Now we can do one more thing, we can add text over here. So I'll add text as 52 pixels, and then using the move tool and pressing Ctrl plus T, I'll just scale it up a little bit. So it looks like this. So you might have noticed one thing, that that my text is of red color while I typed in white color. Why is that? It's because it's over the layer of red, so it will show red color. So to remove that effect, I'm just going to drag this text layer over here on the top. So as soon as I drag the name layer on the top, as the text layer is on the top, the text always becomes white because there is no fundamental color to interfere with it. Now we can just change the font size, or maybe any sort of styling we can do with the text, and once done, we are going to repeat the same procedure, that I'm going to duplicate this layer and name one as cyan and the other as red. So using the red layer, I'll again go to FX icon, go to blending options. Under advanced blending, I'll turn off green and blue so that I get red. Same way with cyan, I'll go to FX icon, blending options, advanced blending, I'll turn off red so that green and blue mixing together becomes cyan, and click on OK. Again using the red layer, I'll just shift the layer a little bit over here on the right side so that you can get this effect. You can adjust it anywhere in the image, wherever you feel comfortable with that, and once you are done, hit enter. So this is the effect that we always like from Instagram, So you can now perform that effect and create that effect using Photoshop. So well, that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.